Let's do her. Shit's starting to get a lot harder now, though. I wish I had my sniper rifle that had quick
Enemy
darts.
presence detected. The map has been updated.
Let's see what we're dealing with here.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Oops, I don't want fire support. I need a supply drop. Or I don't
Please
want
select a drop point.
weapons.
Please select supplies requested.
Don't really need my rocket launcher right now. Oh shit, there's a guy like...
Supply drop complete. Analysis complete.
Do this quietly. Nah, I better not do it. Even though it would be pretty funny. Alright, here we go.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Weather will clear shortly. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
I still don't freaking see anybody. Oh, is that a guy?
Analysis complete. Analysis complete. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Analysis complete. Analysis complete.
I want to like capture this guy though.
Caution. Sandstorm approaching.
He's like, what just happened? That was an MLG shot right there. Usually I miss those.
Enemy
Oh, I
presence
missed.
detected. The map has been updated. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Goddamn dust storms. I'm not sure like which one's the main dude though. I probably shouldn't have done that.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated. Weather will clear shortly.
Alright, that thinned the herd out a little bit.
Analysis complete. Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Apparently I can't go through that gap.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Boom goes the dynamite.
Analysis complete.
That's not the guy I need either. I don't know if that got him or not. No. Shoot him in the foot. Alright, here we go.
Enemy presence detected.
Oh shit. That must be him. Run, 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 run. I'm not even sure where they are. Oh, I see. I see you, buddy.
Analysis complete.
Well, he must be in those buildings up there. He's got to be up there.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
How am I doing for ammo? Let's get an ammo drop real quick.
Please select a drop point. Supplies requested.
And then hopefully we can do her up.
Supply drop complete.
Alright. This one might be interesting. I know it's in there, but we gotta try to take him out alive.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Not even sure how that works. Oh, I see him.
Analysis.
That's the target.
Shit, that's the guy we gotta get to. Nice!
Post captured.
That was kind of MLG right there, but poor shit luck with the with it as well.
Side op completed.
He's coming too.
Extraction
Roger that.
arrived at Mother Base.
Alright. So we got him now. Alright.
Marker placed.
Time for prisoner extraction. I'm actually kind of impressed with myself on that mission. I didn't even die. Alright, let's head over here.